Good morning and welcome to a very sunny Phil Weaver Automotive. We are based in Murano, near Preston, and this morning we are delighted to offer this Volkswagen CC. It's the GT model and it's the 2 litre TSi petrol engine, very rare car in the market, also equipped with the DSG auto gearbox. For further details, please check out our website www.philweaverautomotive.co.uk, where you'll see the general information on the vehicle features, and lots of photographs. It's finished in the candy white. You'll notice that the roof is in black. It's got the black wrapped roof, and also equipped with the 18-inch black alloys. Really does set the car off. Notice on the front, for those who are a follower of the CC model, that the previous customer has had fitted the R-line grille at the bottom and the R-line fog lights. You'll notice the surrounds are slightly different to that of the GT model, but looks really well. And not forgetting the R-line badge. Nice privacy, the rear screen, and from the B pillar backwards. That's the original spare, which was standard on the GT model, but a full size, not the type mobility kit or a space saver. Now, take a look. What a fantastic interior finish. Beautiful condition throughout. It's the red and black Nappa leather. Really nice. The black headlining as well. $34,855 miles. Just jump in. Grab the keys. There we go. Starts up beautifully, as you'd expect. DAB radio as well, navigation system, fuel climate, heated seat. It's got the seat control, the damper settings, auto hold on the handbrake as well. Really nicely finished off. Just a quick video walk round. As I say, further information can be found on our website www.volkswagenautomotive.co.uk. Please feel free to give us a call, landline or mobile, or message us through the social media platforms. Thanks very much.